Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into photography, video making, tech gear, reviews and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. I'm extremely pumped today because for the first time I'm going to release a video of me actually flying FPV, and if you watched my latest videos you know I'm studying. It's like a crazy learning curve. I mean, I don't want to depress you if you're getting into it, but you really need to take time to learn really good how to like manage and fly a drone. I'm starting out with a TinyHAwk S, and it's pretty maneuverable, and inside the house is great to have fun. I'd like to share with you a video of my 6 packs that I've flown today, and together with the 6-pack come many crashes, and you will see them at the end. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing, smash the like button if you did, and I'll see you on the next video.